Today I'll show you how to screen record on your laptop, and the best part is, it's super easy. In fact, you probably already have the tool installed. Let's get started. To begin, press Windows, Shift, and R. This opens up the Snipping Tool in recording mode. From here, you can drag to highlight the specific area of your screen you'd like to capture, or simply choose to record the entire screen. In this example, I'll record the full screen. At the top, you'll notice a few useful options. You can toggle your microphone on or off, choose which mic to use, and even decide whether to include system sounds, like audio or notifications playing on your computer. Once everything is set, click Start. A short countdown timer will appear, and your recording will begin. While recording, you can pause anytime using the pause button, then click play again to resume. You'll also see a timer showing how long you've been recording. When you're done, just click stop. Your recording will automatically open. At the bottom, you can play it back to review. If you'd like to make quick edits, say trimming the video, you can open it in Clipchamp, Microsoft's free video editor. It's actually quite powerful for a free tool and great for simple edits. You can also save your screen recording as an MP4 file, copy it directly to paste elsewhere, or explore additional settings from the three-dot menu. Under Settings, you'll find options to set your microphone or system audio to be on by default, handy if you screen record often. And that's it, a quick and easy way to screen record on your laptop.